I have anxiety, ACT, and think I am autistic for context, but regardless, this behavior is not acceptable. My mother is very non-confrontational, but god damn it, it bugs me, it upsets me, reminds me of, well, my childhood being picked on, cause they only do it to my house, and I am fed up. What should I do? Install a camera? No idea how. That would cost money, and I honestly feel if I put a note or something, that would just make whoever does this do it even more. I hate this. Why do they do it? It's been going on at least since last year. I don't know what kick they get, as 99% of the time no one even goes to open the door because we already know.